Afternoon, Agent Engine Carbon Clean. We're in a very rainy workshop this afternoon. We've got a VW Tiguan, 2 litre TDI. I'm stood in my little rain shelter here, by the way, at the minute, which is why I'm not showing much of the vehicle. It's really peeing down at the minute. We've got it's a 62 plate, 69,000 on the clock. Everything appears pretty much okay with this, apart from the owners reported there's a bit of hesitation every now and again in first and second gear, was it?
Yeah, first and second.
And it depends on what fuel is running. So there's a moral in that story. The fuel, I'm not going to name where from, but from one of the particular cheaper places, it's not running too well on this. It's hesitating, but when it's got better fuel in it, it runs okay. So he's cleaned the MAF, I had a new fuel filter on it as well, I believe. There was a few old codes in there which we've sent through via the email, but all the live data looks pretty much spot on. Last regen 177 kilometres ago. Decent back pressure on the DPF and soot levels are all pretty normal. All the temperatures look spot on as well. I think this just needed a bit of a clean up and a good fuel going forward, and then hopefully it'll be trouble free.